very good morning, children. So welcome back to your maths class. Okay, so yesterday what have we learned? We had learned something about comparing fractions and the odds questions. Okay, so today we are going to go deeper into the comparing fractions part. All right, so today we are going to see how to compare unlike fractions. Now, what is an unlike fractions, might I ask? So do you remember what an unlike fraction was? An unlike fraction is a fraction, are fractions where the denominator is not the same. Okay, suppose I take 1 by 2 and 2 by 7. The denominators are not the same, and that is why they are called unlike fractions. Okay, so let us start today's class with two pictures. Okay, so I'm very sorry my circles are not very circular, okay? But I have tried to draw two pictures, okay? And in between the first and below the first picture, what have I written? I have written pizza 1. Below the second picture, I have written pizza 2, okay? We all like pizza. So when we get a pizza from outside, what is the first thing we do? We divide it into halves, right? And then we divide it into number of pieces, into small little triangular pieces, and divide it among all our family, right? So suppose in my family, what do? I divide the entire pizza into 8 parts, okay? I divide the entire pizza into 8 parts, and I love pizza. So what do? I eat 3 of the pieces. Okay. So the area shaded blue is the amount of pizza I ate. Alright. So what is the fraction of the pizza that I ate? It is 3 by 8. Alright. Suppose I have a brother, and my brother also likes pizza. What he does is, he divides the pizza into 4 parts, okay, into quarters. And then what he does, he eats only 1 part of the 4 part. So what is the amount of pizza he ate? It is, because there are 4 parts, the denominator is 4. And because he has eaten only 1 part of the 4 part pizza, what is the fraction that he ate? 1 by 4. Okay. So this is the fraction that I ate. And this is the fraction that my brother ate. Okay. Now, generally, what happens is that I am very competitive with my brother. Okay, I want to eat more than him. So, how do I know whether I have eaten more than him or less than him? Okay, now see children, 3 by 8 and 1 by 4 are what? They are unlike fractions because the denominator is not the same. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to convert this into like fractions to compare them. Okay, so let us do our comparison. Okay, let me rub this off. So what is the portion of the pizza that I ate? I ate 3 by 8 of the pizza, right? And brother ate 1 by 4 of the pizza. I want to know who ate more. So children, to compare unlike fractions, okay, you can see that 3 by 8 and 1 by 4 are unlike fractions. So to compare unlike fractions, what is the first thing I'll do? To compare 3 by 8 and 1 by 4, the first step is to take LCM of denominators, okay? To take LCM of the denominators. So what are the denominators? The denominators are 4 and 8. Do a prime factorization. You will get you can say that LCM of 4, 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is your 8. Okay. So what I have to do is children, the first numerator is already has a denominator 8. So I keep it as it is. Okay. I'm basically converting these two fractions into like fractions with same denominator. Now for 1 by 4, when will I get the denominator as 8? When I multiply the denominator with 2. Because 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Since I am multiplying the denominator by 2, I will also multiply the numerator by 2. So what do I get? 2 by 8. So see children, I ate 3/8 of the pizza and 1 by 4 has an equivalent fraction 2 by 8. They are equivalent to one another. We have done that before. So the denominators are the same. Right? Since the denominators are the same, what you have to do? You have to compare the numerators. Okay. Now here 3 is greater than 2. Right? Since the numerator of 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8, 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8. Okay. That means that and who ate 3/8 of the pizza? I ate 3/8 of the pizza. So I can say that I ate more. Okay. And so I'm very happy because I ate more of the pizza. Alright. So this is how we compare unlike fractions. To compare unlike fractions, number 1, take the LCM of the denominators. And number 2, convert given fractions into equivalent fractions with same denominator. Okay. Alright. So these are the two-step process that we use to compare unlike fractions. Okay. Let us try another example. Okay. Let us try another example. Let us try to compare 4 by 21 and 13 by 6. Okay. My question is to compare 4 by 31 and 3 by 6. So first step, what are the denominators? 21 and 6. So I take the LCM of 21 by 6. I do the prime factorization. I can see that 21 and 6 are divisible by 3. So I will take the prime factorization by 3. I'll get 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 and 3 into 2 is 6, right? So LCM of 21 and 6 is 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. That is 7 into 6 is 42. Okay? Now what does it mean? It means that I have to write 4 by 21 in such a way that the denominator is, I have to write 4 by 21 into such a way that the denominator is 42. I am converting 4 by 21 into an equivalent fraction with denominator 42. So 21 multiplied by how much? How much is 42? 24 multiplied by 2 is 42. Okay. Since I am multiplying the denominator by 2, I will also multiply the numerator by 2. So 42 multiplied by 2 will give me 8. So how much do I have? I have 8 by 42. Similarly, I will have to write 13 by 6 into an equivalent fraction with denominator 42. Okay. So if I multiply 6 with 7, I know that the product is 42. Okay. Similarly, I will also multiply 13 with 7. Alright. So if you have to multiply 13 by 7, make a workspace and then multiply it. Okay. So 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. You have 2. So you have 91. 91 by 42. Okay. Now children, you have seen that 4 by 21 can be written as 91 by 42, right? And 13 by 6 can be written as, 4 by 21 is written as 8 by 42. And 13 by 6 can be written as 91 by 42. Now in this case, children, please see the denominators are equal. All you have to see is the numerators. Now we know that 91 is greater than 8, right? So 91 by 42 is greater than 8 by 42. Now 91 by 42 is an equivalent fraction of 13 by 6. So we can say that 13 by 6 is greater than 4 by 21. Is it clear, children? I hope it is clear. Alright. Now I want you to do 2 more problems, okay? I want you to do 2 more problems. So see, children, Kumar saves 1/4 of his salary and Pawan saves 2/6 of his salary. And I want to know who saves more. What will you do? These are 2 unlike fractions, right? You will use the method that we have learned today to convert this into like fractions and then tell me who saves more, okay? The second question is the same. Kumar saves 1/3 of his salary and Pawan saves 4 by 6 of his salary. Who saves less? Okay. So please do these questions, children. These are your classwork. I want it done in the Google Classroom. Okay. So I hope you liked and enjoyed today's class. And if you have any problem, please get back to me. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.